think that the Martin's brothers. Proper ugly birds. You find a little house. Hey? Are you coming out? It's stuffy. Is it nice and warm in there? Oh, I see. Is that a little bed then? That's my packing material. Are you coming out? Hey? You're in my packing box. Little Dufty. Where you going? That's spooky.
Because it's narrow, maybe you're right.
Great tizer on it.
Oh yeah. Sure, if you feel that would be that would be a deer drinking fountain every night. You'd be around it. You'd have a whole herd of them having a little drink.
Which ones? The ones that... The other pair there, yeah, the other pair there.
Oh, is that a beehive? Yeah.
It's not variegated.
Yeah, I got one as well.
You get one of yours grown?
Yeah.
Grown quite a lot.
Yeah.
I'd never leave that in the allotment though. It's so nice.
No, yeah, that's very
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. So sweet. She's very elegant, little girl. God, you can feel heat escaping when you lift the lid on this. Look, I have a little squash appearing. Not a lot else happening. That's something. And in here, look, so I've got onions and what's that? Red onion. So normal onion and red onion. And Is there anything in here? Oh, got some snapdragons coming up. That's about it. I'm making some happy tea. I'm going to dehydrate. Got lemon balm and mint leaves here. So I'm going to dehydrate them in the dehydrator for 12 hours until they're all crispy crunchy, and that'll be the tea leaves made. They smell lovely. Once it gets going in the dehydrator, it's going to fill the house with lovely lemon scent, so that's going to be nice. Sorry about the noise, that's the dehydrator going. I'm making kale chips, so I've just washed them and I'll put them in a bowl, and then I'm going to add some, I've mixed up some harissa paste, some lovely sort of rose harissa, and with some oil, and I'm going to mix that in. I'm going to give them a good rubbing with that, and then they're going in the dehydrator to make spicy kale chips for unsure. It kind of says between 1 to 3 hours, so I just have to keep checking on it, see how it goes. But next bit is, let me just walk over here, and I've mixed up the, that's what I'm going to rub in, and it's that. So I need my hands for this, so I'll have to show you the next stage in a minute. Right, so there it is, all yummy, it smells delish. So that's going to go into the dehydrator, and I forgot to show you the that's the lemon balm and mint tea leaves dehydrated, so ready for tea. Oh, I made the most gorgeous chocolate and kirsch cherry brownie the other day. I took some to Shepton Flea with us to keep us going. It's, oh God. So here I'm luxuriating with tons of cream and some of the cherry juice. That's where the cherries come from. Oh, it's like a Black Forest Brownie. It's absolutely, oh, so good, so good. Beautiful.
It is,
See that road where the cars are? I think that's the Somerton Road.
Oh right, okay. Leaf. Oh, it's a squirrel.
Where?
There. There.
Oh.
See it?
Just about.
Withstand stuff.
So made to look like an oak leaf.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Arthur's seat falling apart. The gnarly branches against the blue sky with the pops of the lime green.
He is small, that squirrel.
Little baby squirrel.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so beautiful though.
Isn't it lovely?
Look at that, it's just stunning.
Mm.
Yeah.
Contrast.
Just fabulous. size of it, it's absolutely enormous. Wow. Imagine 200 years old, the things it's seen and witnessed. And who would have it had sheltering under it and galloping past on a horse and gosh, the history. Just got to try and show you the scale of this tree. It's huge.
But yeah, in the wind it must be so scary. Imagine the noise of it blowing down. It lands as well. It's landed on a bit of itself there.
It's like a jungle, isn't it, with all the plants.
All the way right to the top, this furnace up there, look.
Is that a nest right above?
I don't know.
Right above me.
The tree looks pretty dead, doesn't it?
Hmm. Wonder if that's 200 years old as well. I don't know. See, it's perched right on the end there. I remember when I was at school in art class and we had to do a painting where all the fields were like a patchwork blanket.
Oh yeah.
Here we are. I think it's Hood's. I think it's Captain or Admiral Hood or something like that. There'll be a sign somewhere. Look, he's blocked in, he can't get out. In memory of Sir Samuel Hood, Baronet, Knight of the Most Honourable Order of the something and nominated Grand Cross thereof, Knight of St Ferdinand and the Merit of the Knight Grand Cross of the Word, Vice Admiral of the Willie, it looks like, and Commander-in-Chief of His Majesty's Fleet in the last something. Oh, look at that, white stripes in the sky. Great, it's going to get cold again. Beautiful day, but not for long. Glastonbury Tor in the distance. Look at this though, look, little signs of life.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, there's another bigger one over that side, look.
Yeah, I thought so. So it used to be no. We just got a home. Oh, this poor baby. Oh no. Oh God. There's loads of blood. Oh my God, I bet that was the cat. Oh. Oh, and here she is. Was that you? Oh God. Oh.